Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. My name is Farhan Faisal Sheikh. I am lecturer in Fine Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Loyamal Campus, Lahore. My specialization is graphic design. I am going to teach you the most important subject, Thesis in Graphic Design, BFA Honors, 8th Semester, Session 2016-20. Lecture number 1, Guidelines for Thesis in Graphic Design. These guidelines are very important for the students of graphic design. ये guidelines बहुत मदद करेंगी उन स्टूडेंट्स की जो अपना थीसिस कर रहे हैं. Guidelines for thesis in graphic design. You may get used to graphic design assignment that actually involve styling work, but your supervisor may also ask to compose a thesis. This is one of the most complicated tasks that you have to deal with during your academic career. So keep calm and start working as early as you can and meet the deadlines. ये सब्जेक्ट आपके लास्ट सेमेस्टर में ऑफर होता है और एक ये कंपलसरी सब्जेक्ट है. A list of powerful topics for thesis in graphic design. Here is a list of good topics for a thesis in graphic design. Topic number 1, graphic design and mass communication. This topic allows you to investigate how graphic design might help in sending certain messages to specific audience. How does graphic design function in marketing? Topic number 2, contemporary photographic theory and graphic design. If you choose this topic for your thesis, you may compare the tools which are used by graphic designers and photographers. What are the similarities and differences? Topic number 3, graphic design in Great Britain of 1978. Discuss the evolution of graphic design during this period of the country's history. Did different movements influence graphic design, or was it graphic design to have an impact on these movements? Topic number 4, the evolution of graphic design in 20th century. Here you may explore how graphic design was developing in 20th century, especially when web design was introduced. Who was the first to use graphic design in advertising? Topic number 5, Paul Rand and his designs. In this, you may know about the well-known graphic designers who created many memorable logos. Find other designers inspired by his works. Computer graphic designer. This topic allows you to investigate how the role of computer graphic designers has developed through the years. Does this profession attract more people now? These examples may inspire you to come up with your own great idea. Something new, something different. अपना नया आइडिया क्रिएट करें थीसिस के लिए. ऐसा आइडिया जो आज की दुनिया देखना चाहती है. क्रिएटिव हो, जिससे लोग इंस्पायर हों. Dear students, you can ask any questions regarding this lecture from me without any hesitation. Thanks. Take care. Allah Hafiz.